Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And as you can see, I am playing Close Encounter Squads. So yeah. Other people don't have mics, so yeah. Okay. Well, as you can see, we're going Loot Lake, and I'm landing. Okay, I'm being annoying. I'll try to take this pump before anybody. But I'm just gonna place a trap right here because I don't know where else to put it. Blue pump, by the way. Ooh, gold pump. Don't mind if I do. How are people already down, bro? Drink this big pot real quick. And try to go to the other people. What the heck? What the? Okay, I'm a potato. What? What, 23? Okay, buddy. Holy crap. 110. Okay, buddy. 32. 99. This game's actually bad. Blue pump time. Okay. 200, by the way. By my teammate real quick. Trying to be a good teammate, you know what I'm saying? He died. Aww. This mini real quick. 25 HP. No more people, right? I think there's no more people. Lagging. There's people. Northeast, buddy. Honestly, I wish I had an AR. Bro, how did you get over there so fast? Bro, this guy's dumb. And he left, okay. Come on, just come over here already. Get one tapped, bro. Okay, too close, buddy. Too close. Too close. Get away. Get the shotgun real quick. Nah, dude. He has mega high ground. No! No! Freaking thirst people, bro. Get one tapped. I even told you guys, bro. Told you guys he was gonna get one tapped. Grab this double grappler. This freaking jetpack. Grab this double grappler. Did I say dappler or grappler? I don't even know anymore, bro. Grab this heavy, bro. Cause I'm not trying to rock like double pump. Cause I mean, come on, bro. Try not to waste my jetpack. Where's the other drift guy? Must have left. It's a rift, probably to my south, or no, my east. So I'm being quiet, but like. Ooh, 360. Ooh, bro, you saw that, bro? I'm playing solo squads. Supply drop. Bro. I thought somebody's gonna be like rushing the supply drop and stuff. Yo, I love how Fortnite did with the bushes back again, like season 2. No, come here, boy. No, give me that. Thank you. Just pick up this pump. For some reason, like, I don't know if you guys can relate, but if you have Save the World, like, in Battle Royale, I sometimes do Save the World. Like, I pick up another weapon, because, like, I act like it's worn out. I don't know. I have a launch pad. Shuriken. I think I zoomed too close, bro. And now it's perfect. Move that right in the middle right quick. I'm not going in tilted because, like, everybody will probably somehow have the high ground, so let's make sure nobody's in these bushes. So I'm being quiet. No, I already said that. But still, sorry, I am being quiet because I am trying to look for footsteps, and that guy just broke a tree over there. Or not look for footsteps, you know what I mean. I accidentally used my jetpack. I'm 25 HP, bro. Need meds. See if there's a med kit over there. Or just to make sure nobody's like around or anything. See, I'm gonna go on this mountain and just get high ground. People were building over there. I hear shots to my north. Shotgunned. No duh. I get some mats over here. I'm not trying to let them see me. I'm gonna build right there. Build right there again. Bro. I don't want to lose any health. Bro. I itch my shoulder, bro. Wait, hold up. Okay. Come here, boy. Dang, he dropped all the way down, bro. Bro, come here, boy. In the head. Ooh. You're a bot, kid. Okay. Potato. Oh, there's minis, bro. Holy, bro. Doesn't let me build, bro. What you thought? Ow! I'm a potato. Ooh, 34. 29 headshot. I knocked him anyway. I don't even care. I'm a potato. Oh my god, these guys are potatoes. Killed him. 4 kills, by the way. Holy. This guy disappeared. Oh. I thought. This guy's lagging. Holy mother of God. Oh my god. Ooh. 6th place. Oh my god. Oh my god. This guy's good. Ooh, close encounters, boy. You can sprint for as long as you'd like in Battle Royale. You heard that? You heard what I said? I don't even know what I'm doing at this point, honestly, bro. I like this challenge. Ooh, not